Hello, dear student. Welcome back. Let's start with the basic hymta with the new topic. And today's topic is very complicated and very easy, very interesting. It may be interesting for some, and because this is also the all-time favorite of mine, and complicated for some who are especially very slow in reading and who are slow in understanding and who are slow in analyzing and who are slow in identifying the problem and who are slow to putting this problem into an answer form systematically. Yes, the comprehension. Comprehension word comes from the Latin word comprehensionum, which means seizing. Seizing here means grasping the knowledge of subject matter or incorporating them into your own information. Okay, brought into your own knowledge. In a simple way, I would tell you the comprehension means to comprehend, means to understand, means to perceive. Okay. Comprehension here is the ability to grasp the meaning of any written context. Word recognitions, decoding of the meaning, fluency is imperative element of effective reading. Grasp the meaning. All right. Number 2, वर्ड रिकॉग्निशंस, शब्दों की पहचान होना जरूरी है. Decoding of the meaning, fluency in reading are some effective steps, very imperative steps in effective reading. The objective of reading or understanding the text is to acquiring content knowledge and expressing idea and opinion, understand the text clearly and logically and effectively. For this purpose, sometimes runs some question in our minds. Can I interpret and evaluate event, idea and information? Can I connect these information to what I already knew? Can I use my current knowledge to include new idea or to look at these idea in a different way? Can I remember and recognize the most important points in the passage? Can I read between the lines and to understand the underlying meanings? Yes, these are very few about this passage which we need to know. Our vocabulary should be so good. Our understanding over the word and over this language should be good, so that we can analyze the problem in a minimum times. And after analyzing, we identify the problem and putting this problem into answer form systematically as per the requirement of evaluators. So we have the few steps that we should follow. This is the question where we have some questions to answer later. So our first task is to read these questions very you see with great concentration. Don't confuse yourself, just concentrate on the subject matter and what exactly this want to convey and what message and what is really this about. Okay, but you may find confused in the first reading, so you thought I should go one more time. Of course you should go one more time with complete concentration, with the cool mind. And after that, first reading, second reading, and there may be some student who are very slow in understanding, so you should go one more time to get the central idea of the passage. And after that, while you are reading the passage, without wasting your time, this is also important, while you are reading, to make it easy to answer the questions that will following, you have to mark the line under it. You should underline the important lines. These lines will help you to give answer or will deduce the answer in a speedy way. There are some, and there may be some difficult word which may create some hindrances, but not exactly. You can solve these difficult word relating them with preceding and that of following sentences. पहले और बाद के जो sentences हैं उनके साथ इसको relate करके देखिए. You will find the riddle and you will find the real meaning of this difficult word. And afterward, you don't have to do anything. No, now you will go to the questions and you there. First of all, read the question and try to understand the question and come. So without wasting your time, come back to the paragraph and where you must have underlined maybe your answer. Write the questions very smartly, very crisply, and very precisely. This is something about the passage that you should do. And now you are attempting this and you are giving the answer of these questions. How to give? It should be very precise, it should be very simple, it should be very crispy. Crisply here means without wasting your time. Okay? Precisely, don't give too much. Don't add irrelevant material in your answer. Write your answer in a simple language. Do not put your unrelevant opinion and idea in it, which mar the beauty of your answer. Alright, your language should be very simple. If there are some idioms, express in a simple and a very effective languages that evaluator can evaluate it in a positive manner. Don't confuse him with some कोई आडंबरपूर्ण शब्दों को डाल के. Don't try to हम कभी कभी अपनी स्मार्टनेस शो करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Don't try ever. Okay, so avoid using language of the passage. That is also very important here. Don't use the passage language here means do not use each and every word from the passage. No doubt you have to stick to the passage and the central idea and the subject matter of the passage, but don't go out of it while using your own word. You should use some more words from your own vocabulary, from your own mind, but don't go out of this passage. Alright? Don't write ditto from the passage. Write something from your own mind, but keep in your mind, don't go out of the subject matter. Alright? And these were something about the passage and these questions that can maybe help you a lot. And one very important thing I would like to tell you that we should and we can use this trick also. If you don't have much time, and that time you can read the questions. Read your questions, understand the question, what question is about, and then come back to the paragraph, and as soon as you get the answer, write. But this trick can help only with those students who are good in understanding the context and the text and the word recognition who have, and who are good in reading and understanding. Actually is the basic thing is, if you are good in understanding and analyzing and identifying the problem within a second, so you can use this trick and then can it prove helpful to you. Otherwise this is just a wastage of time. And thank you and have a nice day. Hope you will enjoy it and will get best out of it.